What up? Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a cooking video. So in this video I am going to be making just plain burritos. Cause yeah. So I'm back and I'm gonna go ahead and show you everything you're gonna need for this video. You're going to need beans. Sorry about that. You're going to need cheese. And don't forget the tortillas. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing you're gonna do is grab a plate, you guys. Where we go? Let me just see if you guys can. Yeah, you guys can see that. Okay, so you have your plate.
Got the plate?
Then you put one down.
One down, two to go.
Then you're gonna grab some beans and put it on there. Sorry about the noise, you guys.
You need the beans.
Boys these days.
Beans.
So just spread the beans around.
Spread them.
There.
There you go. You got the beans.
Oh my gosh. Now you add the cheese.
You gotta add the cheese.
That should be enough. Make sure it's in the middle so then you can fold it up. And then flip it over. And now you're going to go ahead and put it in the microwave. So I'll be right back when it's done cooking. Okay, so the burrito's done. Sizzling.
Oh, looks delicious.
Yes. Ah, it's hot. Sorry about that. So as you can see,
It just came out of the microwave.
Done. Once you have your burrito done, time to make the drink. So I'm making chocolate milk. You're going to need milk, of course, and some chocolate stuff. I have Nesquik here, and it's my favorite.
Yeah, I love chocolate milk.
The last thing you're going to need is a cup. So grab your cup.
Okay, Dad, it's blue.
Then put some milk in.
Milk in it.
And then just put your powder in.
Oh, the powder! I like the powder. Eat the powder.
Sorry about that, you guys.
The powder!
We just got some background music.
Powder. Eat the powder. It's chocolate milk powder. Oh, that looks delicious.
Okay.
Oh, that was sexy.
Guys, you didn't hear anything. There are children here. Sorry, guys. Let me test it. Perfect.
And she just said, stop, my baby.
Just one sec.
Oh my God.
So now that you're done, you've got your milk and your burrito, and then you just eat it. So yeah, this is my tutorial on how to make a burrito and chocolate milk.
She ran out of ideas.
Hope you enjoyed.
She ran out of ideas.
Yeah, I ran out of ideas, guys. Yeah.
That's